We're at a point in the industry right now that the need for employees of all areas of aviation are in such a high need right now, and there'll be a need for several years, that this is a good time to go into education in this field.
I walked out of here with my aircraft dispatching license. Immediately after that, George reached out and said, hey, we have a recruiter coming out. I think it would be valuable for you if you want to stop in and say hi. So I came in, brought a resume, and just hope for the best. That went great. One more interview later, and they had offered me a job. I wouldn't have happened without Green River and them instilling in me confidence in myself. I couldn't have done it without them.
The thing that really makes me so proud to be a part of this aviation program is how understanding and wonderful the faculty are here. You will not meet a better group of humans that are just here to get the student to where they want to go.
Seeing these students that accomplish these and achieve these goals, and I know I've helped them achieve the professionalism that they need, I will get in the cockpit. Or I'll get in the back seat next time I fly to, Atlanta or whatever. If one of my former students, hey, I know they're trained right. The students accomplishing their goals of receiving these certificates that are federal certificates that are not easy to get. And when they come back and they send you an email, I did it, I passed my check ride. That's the payoff.
There's so many different jobs, whether it's working on airplanes, dispatching as a controller. Now we have drones if you're not comfortable with the heights. So this is just a field that there's so many opening jobs, and it just leads to travel throughout the world too, and making friends all over the world as well.
Aviation is like a family, even though it's a worldwide industry. You get to know everybody. Everybody gets to know you. So it's a very close-knit community that even though it's extremely large, you know people and people know you, and those friendships are, forever.